The MacBook Neo 2 could be Apple's next big surprise, and the latest leaks suggest it is getting some important upgrades that many users have been waiting for. According to reports, Apple is preparing the second generation of its affordable MacBook lineup, and this time the company is not just making small changes. The MacBook Neo 2 is expected to arrive with a newer A19-based processor, giving it better speed, improved efficiency, and stronger overall performance. Apple is also focusing on fixing some of the biggest complaints users had about the first model. One of the most talked about upgrades is memory. The original MacBook Neo launched with 8 GB of unified memory, which worked fine for basic tasks, but left many users wanting more. Now leaks suggest the MacBook Neo 2 could start with 12 GB of unified memory as standard. That would make multitasking smoother, improve performance in demanding apps, and help the laptop handle Apple's growing AI features much better. Storage could also see a major improvement. Reports point to faster SSD speeds and a possible increase to 512 GB of base storage. If that happens, buyers would get more space and better performance right out of the box without paying extra for upgrades. The exciting part is that Apple may keep the same premium look and strong battery life that helped make the first MacBook Neo so popular. Combined with the newer processor, extra memory, and faster storage, the MacBook Neo 2 could easily become one of the strongest budget laptops Apple has ever released. But to understand why the MacBook Neo 2 matters so much, we need to look at the first MacBook Neo. When Apple launched the original MacBook Neo, many people were not expecting much. At $599, it looked like a simple budget device designed to reuse existing hardware. Apple used a version of the A18 Pro chip, and some people assumed the laptop would just be an entry-level option with limited performance. Instead, it surprised almost everyone. The MacBook Neo delivered much better performance than expected, offered excellent battery life, and gave buyers a premium Apple experience at a much lower price. Students, casual users, and first-time Mac buyers quickly took notice. Demand reportedly exceeded expectations, turning what seemed like a small experiment into a major success. However, that success created a challenge for Apple. The company is now focused on producing newer chips for future iPhones and Macs. Continuing to rely on older A18 Pro processors for a fast-growing laptop lineup no longer makes much sense. That is one of the biggest reasons why Apple is reportedly accelerating development of the MacBook Neo 2. And from everything we are hearing so far, the upgrade looks worth the wait. With a newer A19-based chip, 12 GB of memory, faster storage, possible 512 GB base capacity, premium design, and strong battery life, the MacBook Neo 2 could improve nearly every area that users care about, while keeping the affordable approach that made the original model successful. Current reports suggest Apple could launch the MacBook Neo 2 before the end of 2026. Pricing is expected to remain close to the original model, starting around $599, with student discounts potentially making it even more affordable. That is everything we know so far about the MacBook Neo 2. Are you planning to buy one when it launches? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.